Hey class, Dr. Schoen here again from my panic room. This second video, I am going to show you how to do a log file. This is important for your homework because this is going to demonstrate how you are to turn in the Stata portion of your homework. Okay, so what a log file is, you may have noticed that there are many formats with Stata, the data being one of them, that don't open on your computer unless it is unless you have a machine that has Stata installed on it. So when you do this Stata work, how are you supposed to turn it in, especially since I'm asking you to turn stuff in online? The way that you're going to turn in is by simply uploading your log file. A log file is kind of exactly what it sounds like. It is a document which only Stata can open, which shows me the printout of all your commands and output. So let me show you what that looks like. I have Stata open here, and I'm just going to run through my quick steps here in order to get my data open, change my working directory. And what I am going to do is open the do file from our first lab, right? So this is everything that we did. Now, with this do file, I can make changes, but I don't really want to do that. So what I'm going to do is hit execute and run the entire thing. Whoa, look at all that. Last thing we did was label this degree variable, less than high school, some college, graduate, professional. All right, so let's say that I wanted to turn this into somebody. I now have output that goes pretty far up, right? Look at everything that I did together. What exactly is the way to turn this in? Well, not like this. It's going to be using a log file. Okay, so let me start over here. I'm going to type clear, and that gets rid of my data. I am going to reopen the data, and now follow along closely. I am going to go to File, and then I am going to scroll down to where it says Log. Then I'm going to hit Begin, and I will have to save something. This is going to be saved exactly where my do file is, so let's just call this Lab 1, because that's what it was. By hitting save, that will open a log, and now Stata is essentially going to create a document of all of your output. So I'll hit save right there. Log is open, and now when I highlight all my other commands, I'm going to run it, and it is being saved under a log. So the only thing that's different between what we did there is I saved the output in a document file that can easily be opened and read by anybody else. So the way we close our log, very simple. The last thing we write in our do file editor here, capture log clear. That will save the log as you have created it. And then you're all set. So let's run that. Okay, log is done. So let's clear out our data and see if it worked. I am going to go now File, Log, and now View. I'll hit Browse. Oh, and there, that's where it is, right there, lab1.smcl. That file right there, the SMCL file, that is what you are to submit on the course page, so I can easily figure this out. So I hit Open, hit OK. Oh, look at that. That's cool. That's our log of everything that we did. And look at how pretty it's formatted. And that is a log file. So when you are submitting your homework, you don't need to print out your Stata. You can if you want to hand it in person. I'm not like opposed to that. But if you're doing it on Tuesday night, you're not going to have a chance to turn it in person. You simply begin a log, capture the log when you are done with the assignment, and then upload that log file to the course page. And that will be enough for me to grade your work and to hopefully assign full credit. So that's a log file. Thank you so much, and see you later.